Okay, hello students. It is September 16th, 2021. So I'm updating the video on intellectual pursuits. So you go to Canvas, Modules, click there, and then click here for the assignment and make a copy. The intellectual pursuits goes with the graph article. The graph article was basically about how the author thought that some of his seemingly unintellectual pursuits like sports was actually intellectual and actually helped him prepare for college. So you're going to take that idea and apply it to yourself. What interest do you have that might seem anti-intellectual um, on first glance, but actually give you skills to succeed in college? And so what you're going to do, the assignment is fill in these 9 squares. And how do you do it? You write out a description of what your interest is here that'll help you in college. You write out the skills that that interest provides you with, and then you write out how those skills will help you in college. Make sure the numbers in this column and this column correspond to each other. So let me go through the example so this makes sense. So my example is The Simpsons. I used to watch the show religiously through season 15, stopped there. But in any case, so just a small little introduction to what the interest is and how long you've been doing it or something like that. So memorization and recall, I remembered and rehearsed the lines. So you'll say what it is and then just give a little tiny description. And that's number 1 here. And then number 1 over here will tell you how can you use memorization and recall in college. Well, practice for memorizing information for quizzes and tests. Number 2, cultural references, right? There's a lot of things that are referenced in the show about like history and all that. So I actually learned information. So how does that help you in my how might that help me in my college career? Practice for making real world connections, real world connections to real world situations, right? Because I'm asked to do that a lot in my English classes, or was asked. Vocabulary, we used to use big words like this and that, so I'm a little specific here. And then, vocab to be used in papers. So you can see how that goes. You don't really need 6. I just keep going until I don't have anything else to do. If you have like 3 or 4, that's fine. And you'll do that 3 times. Give me 3 interests, all the skills that correspond with the interest, and then all the ways that those skills will help you in college. Okay. And the idea is that this will give you some ideas to write your person paper, the interview questions for on the paper. So it's brainstorming for that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Email me if there's anything that's still confusing to you. Thanks.